About the X and Y coordinate system, AutoCAD works as many other devices that you use in several areas of your life. So we have a reference that is represented here in the corner. It's X and Y, and we have Z also, but working in 2D as we are doing now, we have only these to consider. So when we start the software, it is on the corner, but we can drag it somewhere else because in the end we are not dragging this reference system, but we are dragging the full uh, drawing space where we are working. So on the intersection of the axis, it is the origin or the 0, 0. And you can see it here below where the chords are on and we are moving our cursor and the coordinates show the current position of our cursor. So when I go near the intersection, also the coordinates in both X and Y are almost 0. And when I move away, the numbers increase. So this is the coordinate system, and it is called a Cartesian coordinate system, where we have a coordinate for the X starting in 0. If I move in this direction, we have a positive X. If I go on the opposite direction, I have a negative X, and the same for the Y. If I go up, I get a positive Y. If I go down, I have a negative Y. So any position in drawing area or what we can call the space area can be defined by a coordinate for the moment in 2D by X and Y. The last point to mention it is the format is always X first and Y in second. You can see also this 0 that represents the Z, which in this current position it's pointing to us. But again, we are working for now only in 2D plan, so the Z coordinate is not important.